Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix random applications are opening from pressing any key. First method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run the troubleshooter under keyboard. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Ease of Access, click Keyboard. Turn on then off under sticky keys, toggle keys, and filter keys. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboard, click Update Driver, click Browse my computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.